What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video today. Unfortunately, you can't see kind of my face because it's here. It's a POV video. It's kind of fitting for my channel, I guess you could say. It's Josh's POV. I don't know, I find it weird like doing this, but you guys know this car. This car is literally the theme of the channel, as you boys and girls know. I'm going to talk to you guys a bit about it, kind of what I've done to it, what needs to be done to it and stuff like that. But yeah, obviously first things first, it looks an absolute tip because I've not had a chance to wash it yet, as you can see from all these lovely watermarks here. These are legit, let me tell you, legit OZ racing wheels. This is the Quattro Sport version, I guess you could say, of the Audi TTs, the Mk1s, but they all come with red brakes. And obviously your boy's different. I don't want to be like the rest of them because they all kind of blend into the background. This is a Quattro Sport. This is like the top of the top when it comes to like TTs. So I wanted to do a little bit kind of special. So as you can see, my actual spring from my suspension kind of fits the calipers and obviously fits the stickers as well. That's kind of like the outside, I guess you could say. You guys might not have seen obviously underneath the bonnet. I normally have this open at shows, but it's not too bad. If you didn't know, this engine actually went in for like a full kind of rebuild from like the top to bottom. So as you can see, most of the hoses, are pretty much all of them to be fair, are all kind of forged. Things that didn't get replaced, probably they've failed, like such as the N75, which is just down here. I actually did a video on replacing that. If you go watch that, click up there. I did a video also replacing the air intake. So we replaced it with this ram air, and let me tell you, it sounds incredible, which you'll see in a minute. I'm gonna stop talking and we are gonna go on a little cruise. So for the first leg of the journey, I've literally no idea where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try and find some back roads and stuff to go on. But I think for the first leg of this journey, I'm gonna kind of do a few pulls. I'm gonna leave the windows up so you guys can kind of hear what it's like to drive with the windows up, and then I'm going to put the windows down because it's actually quite a warm day today, which is nice. But yeah, and this guy's just going to take my lane. Thanks, dude. But yeah, I'm going to keep the windows up. You guys can hear what this sounds like. You guys kind of need to let me know as well if you like these type of videos. I mean, it's kind of easy, I guess. Like, I don't really have to do much. I just stick a camera on my head and drive. And there's a police car there. It's probably looking at me. Why has that guy got a camera on his head? He's on his phone, and he was sat behind a police officer as well. But yeah, I absolutely adore this car. This car, I spend most of the time kind of fixing it, as you guys know, because of the videos are pretty much weekly when it comes to me fixing stuff on the car. But my last car was a BMW 1 Series, and it was, I just kind of took it in and it got repaired, and that was kind of it. Whereas this, I'm taking my time, I'm learning. I mean, I've just done my first service. You guys probably should watch that. So if you are unsure and you do have obviously this car or a normal TT, it's all the same. Go watch that video. You can learn how to service your car for free, I guess you could say, because you're only paying for the parts. All the labor and stuff you're doing yourself. So bumpy as well. Oh my god, dude, I'm getting air. can kind of hear some of the turbo spool, you know, and your boy's reset valve. Now let's just go left. I've got no idea what's down here, bro. Watch out for potholes, boys. Woo! Let's go. Dude, look at this corner. Right, let's get a nice third gear for this, boys. The road surface is so uneven, it like throws you into like either the curb or the middle of the road. It's horrible. If you guys have made it this far into the video, please drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you guys thought about this. Let me know if you like them boosty noises. Let me do some pulls with the windows up. You boys might be able to hear it a little bit better. For the boys. Yeah, my guys cut the corner. Nice! If you guys are watching this and you're undecided on whether or not to get a TT, or you're looking at options to getting a TT, like, just take it from this video. I mean, this car really and truly is kind of only had the resonator delete and the induction kit kind of done to it, which kind of makes it sound louder, but the sound that it makes is just insane. Being able to listen to that, like, and there we go. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Probably the brakes are cooked as well, so they're probably going to need changing. I'll probably spend about £25 worth of fuel just for that like 10-15 minute drive, but yeah, it's totally worth it. I mean, just look at it, guys, just take it all in. I love this car. I absolutely love this car. I know like it's not very clean, it doesn't look like I love it, but I do love this car. If you guys want to know more questions kind of about this car, please drop a comment, ask me anything. You guys know I reply to every single comment that I get on my videos. If you guys do like this video, make sure as well you drop a like, drop a comment as well, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos on this. I'm done. This was wicked, and yeah, make sure you show some love because I've spent a lot of money, well, a lot of fuel in this video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh, and this is our POV. Peace out, guys.
Say you wanna get away, we don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no